Arecibo Space Telescope is located in the Puerto Rican jungle. For the past 57 years, it has helped scientists track faraway planets, find potentially dangerous asteroids, and hunt for aliens. It is one of the largest observatories in the world. Its dish is 1,000 feet across, more than 3 football fields. It's one of the coolest things we humans have ever built, if you ask me. Anytime I see a picture of it, I get starry-eyed. Which is why I say with a very heavy heart that the U.S. National Science Foundation, or NSF, has announced it will be shut down. Back in August, one of its supportive cables slipped loose from a socket, falling and causing a huge 100-foot hole in the massive dish. Operations were halted, and then another cable broke just recently, tearing yet another hole in the dish and damaging nearby cables. Engineers have been scrambling to figure out how to save it, but alas, NSF has officially called it quits. In a recent statement, Assistant Director of the Mathematical and Physical Sciences Directorate at NSF, Sean Jones, said, NSF has concluded that this recent damage to the telescope cannot be addressed without risking the lives and safety of work crews and staff. And so, the Foundation has decided to begin the process of planning for a controlled decommissioning, which makes me very sad. I mean, this is the observatory that figured out the rotational period of Mercury. It provided the first solid evidence that neutron stars exist. It directly imaged an asteroid for the very first time ever in history back in 1989. It helped find the first planets outside of our solar system. It played a big part in finding Bennu back in 1999, the asteroid that NASA just collected an actual sample from millions of miles away. And of course, in 1974, it transmitted the Arecibo message, which is a bitmap image that included numbers, stick figures, chemical formula, and an image of the telescope itself as a message to any alien life forms out there, telling them a little bit about ourselves. The Arecibo telescope has achieved many amazing scientific feats, and now in the next few weeks, it will be officially decommissioned. It's a sad piece of news for me personally, but also for our entire human civilization.